So now I'm discussing about the 3-bit synchronous down counter. Again, this is a synchronous counter, as you see, because all the flip-flop is connected to the same clock pulse. Okay, so now you can see what the basic changes I have done. Here we using a AND gate. So the input of the AND gate is one is connected from J and another input is connected from the Q bar. है ना? Initially it is connected with Q, but now it is connected with Q bar. And there are few other changes I have done. You just compare from the previous that uh, diagram, and here we have change do some changes. So once you made the circuit diagram, now it work as a down counter. You can see is now working as a down counter mean it count from 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so this is a circuit diagram from down counter. You can make by your own in multisim. If any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I will there to help you, bacho. Okay, so I hope you find it helpful. In the next videos I will discuss about the 4-bit counters, that is up and down counter. Thank you, have a great day. Okay, so JK flip flop, either you can use the IC in place of flip flop, you can use the JK IC also. Okay, so we require only 2 IC, and flip flop we require 3. So if you use a IC, then one IC contain 2 flip flops, so we require only 2 ICs here. Thank you, God bless you all.